All right, so we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and pop this out. The first thing you want to do is put this thing back in there if you're going to be using it. And we can just pull this out of here, set that over there, and now we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and bring her out and put her in the pool. All right. Here's the pool. Here's our robot. I'm going to show you guys just how to do this. So first of all, this is off here. When it's turned this way, it's off. You see this? That's off. To go on, you got to go this way. All right, so we've got her off, and we just got to stick her in the pool and turn her on. So we got to get it underwater, just like this. Once it's under there, then I can go ahead and turn it on. It's ready to go. You can see it's got the blue thing. And then I'm just gonna let it kind of sink down there. All right, there she goes. Now, we turned her on. And apparently, oh, there she goes. Now she's moving. And we'll get a chance to see how it does. There's my shadow. But you guys can see that the pool's pretty dirty. You follow me? Look over here. So we'll get a chance to see how this does on the bottom of the pool. And there she's going. Moves pretty fast. Now this should last for a couple hours from what I understand, and we'll just have to come back and see how well it does on the pool. Hopefully it cleans this mess up.